This video explains the setup process to connect the FC6A Plus and SX8R using Modbus TCP communication. FC6A Plus, Modbus TCP client, master station, SX8R, bus coupler module and FC6A I/O modules. Modbus TCP server, slave station. The system configuration used for the Modbus TCP server in this video is the SX8R bus coupler module and 4 I/O modules. After checking and confirming the positioning and alignment, firmly connect the units. If the stopper is raised, push it into place. The remaining I/O modules can be attached in the same way. Connect the SX8R and the PLC with a LAN cable in Ethernet port 1 on both devices. Next, set up the SX8R and each of the I/O modules. Launch the SX8R configurator program. Connect the SX8R to a PC with a LAN cable. Click on the Read Module Configuration button to view the current system configuration, the SX8R and the I/O modules. Click on the I/O module you want to set up and a dialog box will open. From the Settings dialog box for analog input modules, you can set the signal type and data format for each channel. Analog channel 0, AI0. Set the signal type to 4 to 20 mA DC and the data format to binary data. Analog channel 1, AI1. Set the signal type to 0 to 10 VDC and the data format to binary data. Analog channel 2, AI2, set to type K, thermocouple. Analog channel 3, AI3, set to PT100. If the data format is set to Celsius, the appropriate values will be calculated automatically. Click the OK button to finish. The same settings are available for the analog output modules. Next, select communication settings for the SX8R. Give the SX8R Remote I/O system a name. Set the communication mode for Ethernet port 1 to Modbus TCP server. Choose a download password and an upload password. Confirm the network address is set for the Modbus TCP server. A Modbus address is automatically assigned to each device address for the SX8R. Download this setting data to the SX8R unit. When the download is completed successfully, a confirmation dialog box will appear. Click OK to continue. Next, set up the connected PLC as the Modbus TCP client. Launch the WindLDR program. Connect the FC6A Plus to a PC with a LAN cable. Click Connection Settings in the Configuration tab, and a dialog box will open. Set the communication mode for Ethernet port 1 to Modbus TCP client. Choose the necessary Modbus request settings to match the Modbus addresses that were automatically assigned by SX8R configurator. set the new remote host number as the SX8R's IP address for Ethernet port 1. During future setups, you can select previously registered numbers. Continue to choose the necessary Modbus request settings to match the Modbus addresses that were automatically assigned by SX8R configurator. Data from analog input channel 2 connected to the SX8R is assigned to D0105, address value. The ladder program converts D0105 to D0500. Download these communication settings and the ladder program for confirming operation to the FC6A+. These are the device address allocations between the SX8R Modbus server and the FC6A+ CPU Modbus client. You can confirm the temperature from the thermocouple connected to analog input channel 2, D0044, using the FC6A+ CPU data register, D0105 equals D0500. Click on an I/O module to enable channel monitoring for that module. Click on Monitor to begin monitoring. The on-off status and current values for each module can be confirmed while monitoring. For example, here you can see that the temperature measurement from the thermocouple is 19.2 degrees. Open WindLDR to confirm module operation on the corresponding monitoring screen. The FC6A+ and the PC need to be connected with a LAN cable in Ethernet port 2. The PLC's operational status can be viewed from the ladder program monitoring screen. Here, the data register, D0105, is being viewed from the WindLDR batch monitoring screen. Note, SX8R configurator and WindLDR are running at the same time. Data from analog input channel 2, D0044, connected to the SX8R, is assigned to Modbus slave address 300006 and sent to the FC6A+ CPU via Modbus. This data is assigned to D0105, D0500 on the FC6A+ CPU side. Here, analog input channel data, AI2, is being viewed from the SX8R configurator monitoring screen. Note, SX8R configurator and WindLDR are running at the same time. In this way, you can confirm that the remote I/O's analog input data, AI2, is being imported to the FC6A+ D0105. Note, SX8R configurator and WindLDR are running at the same time.